Up next, we have the highest vertical leaper on the planet. No joke, that's his Guinness World Record. Of all 8 billion humans alive, none can jump higher than him. And he's gonna be going against this tiger to see who can jump higher, man or animal.
Team human, let's go.
Look at that majestic beast. Do you actually think you can out-jump that?
I'm not gonna lie, if she jumped 13, I'm jumping 13.
Oh, look how she's looking at him. She's scoping you out.
Is that a threat?
She doesn't speak English. I say we get into it. We're gonna use this meat to lure her and see if they can get her to jump.
Let me see what you got, Luna.
Oh, she wants it. Here it is. Here comes the jump. How high will the tiger jump? Oh! Oh my gosh! Now, if you can somehow jump higher than the tiger, I want it to be because you beat your own world record. So I'm not putting this at 10 feet 9 inches. I'm going to put it at 12 feet 3 inches. Exactly 1 inch higher than your Guinness World Record. If he manages to touch this, not only will he decimate the tiger, but he will set a new world record.
I mean, I think I got it, 12-3.
Yeah?
I don't see why not.
I'm gonna be honest, I think Darius is lying.
I'm not gonna lie, I dang near think I'm lying.
This does not seem humanly possible. For the world record attempt, are you ready?
Let's get it.
Let's see if you can set that world record.
Luna, this is for you.
Can he do it? Oh my gosh, whoa, he crushed it. That was crazy. Luna, what are you gonna say to that? Remember, you just jumped higher than anyone in history and you seem chill.
I feel like I can go higher. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Oh my gosh, this guy.
I feel like I could go higher.
Just set a world record. He's like, oh, I can go higher. Ryan beat a lion. Darius beat a tiger. Animals need to start winning.